Ready?
Mary. Are you really doing it?
Yeah, he's gonna do it.
Oh, I thought Chrissy was gonna do it.
There's more cinnamon on my counter than on that spoon.
I just cleaned that counter.
I don't know if water before it makes it any better.
That's what they said on YouTube. Are you alright? You're not going into this with a clear head. Really?
But it's delish.
Wait a minute, it's fine. Just let it, get wet.
Let it
Come
marinate.
on, babe. Just hold it in there.
Shove it.
Swallow it.
Come on, you can do it.
Just a little at a time. Let it drip.
You're gonna be the only one on YouTube that could do it.
You gotta open afterwards.
That's making it worse. If it comes through your nose, it's gonna hurt. Oh. We got some leakage.
Don't answer that.
Hold on, he's doing the cinnamon challenge.
What a bomb.
Hold on.
Did it come out? Open up.
Calm back.
It's all chunky, lumpy,
Yeah, it didn't do too bad.
Why do you put it in the
Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
What's that?
You shut the hell up.
I can eat it.
It's empanadas.
You good?
I can't get it out.
Stuck in your throat? Was it that bad like everybody makes it seem?
Nah, this bitch is
Bye,
a
Dino.
pussy. Pussies.